next step looks like to me is putting this which has the measuring for the logs, the gas lever, and the push lever. Quite clearly looks like it bolts on here. Got a lock nut on it. Now, obviously, this thing has to push, and I'll put the bolt in because then it won't stick out and catch me on the hands if I'm doing something. Okay, push gas lever makes sense. And these lock nuts. Me. Okay, so I bolted that thing on. Now down here, there's some pretty small, looks like studs. Yeah, a little loose. It's a 10. Well, I guess that's the right size. So what we did was we bolted this push bar and gas lever to the frame here. Okay, it has some adjustment. I need to tighten it a little more. And then we hooked the gauge here. Well, we got the dark behind it. Anyway, this gauge, bolted it down here. Let's take a look inside the, we'll take this off. There's the engine. I believe it's a, can't remember if it's a 9 horsepower or 7 horsepower. 7, I think, maybe, huh? 7.5. Okay, so we have a belt from the motor to this pulley, and that pulley just has a rubber belt permanently around it to hold the blade, and then the blade it just has 2 wear blocks down there and ball bearings behind it. Pretty simple outfit, isn't it? Just like a little bandsaw I got in the basement. The ground is thawing, so I have to go through and level it now, because when I started it was frozen, even though it's inside. I haven't done the other side of the track,